Hi everyone. At Catapult Systems, one of our signature offerings is our Agile Analytics program, which basically is a marriage between agile software development methodologies and the modern tools and technologies of core analytics. Now, the great value and benefit of this program is that we're able to deliver to you actionable insights in a very quick and efficient manner. What I'll be demonstrating today is basically an example of one of the end products of this particular solution. So let's go ahead and jump into it. What we're looking at here is a Power BI dashboard. The data in question is public data that came from the Department of Transportation. This is a data set of U.S. oil pipeline accidents over a 7-year period. So it's a pipeline safety insights dashboard, each page of which is designed to answer one particular question. So let's dive right in. Here you can see among all of the pipeline operators who have had the most accidents, you can see the number of accidents trending over time, the cumulative barrels spilled among all the operators. On the top right, we can see on average how many hours did it take for each operator to shut down their particular pipeline after an incident. And then in the middle here, we see different ways of quantifying the impact of these accidents. You have this at-a-glance view, but you can also drill down into specific operators. So, as an example, if we look at this particular operator, they've had more accidents than any other one, averaging one almost every 2 weeks. They're trending upwards, and they've spilled about 40,000 barrels of oil to date. What's interesting, however, is that even though they've had nearly 200 accidents, on average they take only about 0.7 hours or 40 minutes to shut down their pipeline after an accident. On the other hand, if we look at this operator, you can see that even though they've only had 8 accidents over 7 years, or about 1 per year, their average accident cost is an astounding $2 million, and that's because it takes them, on average, 305 hours, or about 2 weeks, to shut down their pipeline after an accident. So here you can see this is a very simple way to identify the correlation between number of accidents, shutdown response time, and then the actual impact of the accident. On to page 2, what we're looking at is to identify correlations between failure causes and the different types. So for instance, we can look at equipment failure as the most common cause of above ground pipes, or if we want to look at underground pipes, the most common cause of failure is corrosion. On the bottom half of the dashboard, we can see that on average, for any given substance, there's about a 3.4% chance that it will ignite. However, if we look at highly volatile liquid, you can see that that chance increases to about 11.4% that it will ignite. And if it does ignite, there's about a 35% chance that it will explode. So this dashboard enables you to very quickly identify what are the most high-risk types of pipelines, how will they fail, and in what manner will they fail. On to page 3, this allows us to explore any particular insights of cost of the impact with failure time and location, so you can see where they occurred on a map, when they occurred by day of the week, and even how the cost is spread over time. The bottom half here, what we're looking at is the correlation between cause category and cost category. This red cell indicates that there is a very high correlation between anything that was caused by environmental cracking with an environmental remediation cost, naturally. When we highlight that cell, you'll be able to see all of the particular incidents associated with those particular causes. I can see that they take place mostly on Sunday, and that it's dominated by this one particular bubble on this chart, which represents one accident. Hovering over it, I can see the exact location, the name of the operator, the date of the impact, and the total cost. This is just a small example of the types of insights that can be delivered to you through our Agile Analytics service. For more information, go to Catapult Systems today.